This video tutorial I will explain what is Kafka topic partition. Kafka topic is divided into multiple parts and that is called partition. And partitions can be considered as a linear data structure just like arrays. And these are also called commit log. Here you can see the topic. It has only one partition. And in 0 offset message 1 is stored, in first offset message 2 is stored, and in second offset message 3 is stored. So messages are actually published to the topic partition, and every partition has partition number. In this case partition number is 0, and each partition has increasing index which is called partition offset. New messages are always pushed at the rear end. Suppose if you are publishing a message 4, that will go to the rear end which is offset 3, and once data is published it is immutable, which means suppose say message 3 is stored in offset 2, then we cannot move this message 3 to offset 1 or offset 3. Once it is published we cannot change and it is immutable. Here you can see the broker which has one topic, and topic contains one partition, and this partition is partition 0, and it has partition offset which starts from 0, and it will keep on increasing based on the messages, and this is the example of topic with one partition and the single broker. Here you can see the broker. It contains one topic, and topic has three different partitions, and this partition number is partition 0, and this partition number is partition 1, and this partition number is partition 2, and each partition has partition offset which start from 0, and it will keep on increasing based on the messages. So this is an example of topic with three partition and the single broker. In a multi-broker Kafka cluster, partitions for topic are distributed across the whole cluster. And here I have taken the example of one topic with four partitions and three brokers. Here you can see the cluster. It has three brokers: broker 1, broker 2, and broker 3. Here you can see broker 1 has order topic. Same order topic will be present in broker 2 as well as broker 3. And suppose say for order topic we have configured four partitions. Then the partitions will be distributed across different brokers in the cluster. So partition 0 is there in the broker 1, partition 1 and partition 3 is there in broker 2, and partition 2 is there in broker 3. So Zookeeper will take care of assigning this different partition to different brokers randomly.
You can get the Java source code link from the description section of the video. To see the description in mobile, click on this icon and it will expand like this. Then click on this more button to see the description. And in the description, you can see the links. And click on these links to get the Java source code.